Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing a fantastic investment opportunity. This meticulously maintained 5-unit multifamily house sits on 0.35 acres of land. It is located in the highly sought after community of Birch, Crescent, St. James. This community offers easy access to shopping, banks, pharmacies, the highway, and entertainment. This property provides a total of 10 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, making it an excellent choice for those looking for income generating real estate in a prime location. Don't miss out on the chance to acquire this well located and well maintained family home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 600,000 or Jamaican $92.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.